We got a new permission in a town that was established in 1776, a home that was built around 1900. So let's see what we can find. I'm detecting around the backyard. Had a hit by this tree, and I reached in there and pulled out this lock, a sleigh maker. Cut another hole here along the fence line. Let's brush this up and see what we got. Well, here's what we got out of the hole there. It's got a design on it. I just don't know what it is. I'm still not far off of that tree. Had a scratchy signal here about 10 inches down. Dug down, started digging around, this popped out. And there's still a signal in the hole, so I'm hoping the other half is in there. It looks like a locket, so let's see if we can find it. Looks like part of the chain. Alright, so I'm still finding bits of chain or whatever, and then we'll clean up the heart and see if there's anything on it. I'll dig through here some more. Well, that's what we ended up with. The heart part fell all to pieces, and that's the most solid piece right there, the actual heart shape. So I'm coming along this fence line. I got a screaming target right at the base of this. It's a 71 solid, and I'm almost scared to look. It's a plant marker. Alright, we're along the back of the property now, along the back fence line. Got a hole down here. Oh man, we gotta... Still coming along the back fence line of the property. Got a plug here. Looks like we got a buckle. Small buckle. We'll clean it up. Yes, sir. Cleaned up pretty good. We got an old suspender buckle. It says something on there, but I just can't make it out. I think it might say patent. Cutting along here. Got another plug. Man, this thing was screaming at 93, 6 inches down. Check it out. I got me a bird. Man, that is so cool. Well, coming along, got another plug, and I believe I've got my first coin of the day. I don't know what it is yet. It's penny size. Well, let's clean it up and see what we got. Well, there's our first coin of the day, a 1950 wheat penny. Not too bad. Got us another plug here. First thing I thought was this was some kind of wind instrument piece because of this valve here on the back. So if you have any idea, post a comment below. It's pretty neat. Alright, so here I am at the base of this tree. I had a good signal here last time I was here, and the battery on the manicord died, so I left. I came back earlier and I dug, and I gave up, and I came back again, and I think I have found a pocket watch, or the remains of a pocket watch, over here under this tree. So I'm glad I came back and dug it. We'll clean it up a little bit, see if we can't get a better look at it. Alright, I got it cleaned up. That's the face of our pocket watch, or what would have been. I believe the second hand would have been right in there. So I've got another hole here, and I popped it out, and look at that. It is another pocket watch. So we're gonna clean it up, check it out. Well, there it is, all cleaned up. You see these two brackets? It almost appears as though this is a watch face. There's your dial. But man, that thing must be pretty old to have a attachments like that for your band. It looks like gold right there. It's shiny. Anyway, right neat. It's got to be old. Pop it along another hole. Got our second coin of today. Looks like a penny. I can see the date on this one. All right, we got a 1942 wheat cent. Our second coin of the day. Popped another hole down here. Got another wheat cent. It's a 1940. You can't see the front too well, but you can see 1 cent on the back there. Got another plug here, and I was running the pinpointer around, and this just kind of slid right down the wall. Looks like it's a quarter. Well, we ran out of time today, so we got one more trip. We're gonna go back. Got about another third of that yard to check, so We'll go see what we can find next time. Thanks for watching. It's Chris with Dirty Boots.